What's up? Good morning. Happy 4th of July, everyone. Hopefully, you take a chance to celebrate, enjoy the day. I wish it was under better circumstances because, frankly, the market is not doing great right now. We obviously know that we're facing major capitulation. There's a lot of selling going on. And unfortunately, fear kind of takes over sometimes and sets in. And that's really what we're experiencing because we have dealt with a lot of dumping from entities here. We know that, for example, the German government has been starting to dump some BTC. There was another $75 million over the last 24 hours that, like, of course, sent even further fear into the market. We've dealt with, again, with people just kind of pulling their funds out and just sitting on the sidelines. And frankly, it really sucks. This is obviously affecting altcoins, affecting stuff like ADA. Now, I will say I'm very happy with how ADA has been, in fact, holding up through this whole thing. Again, I always keep looking at this ADA BTC chart. How is ADA holding up versus the broader crypto market? And frankly, it's been doing exceptionally well. Today is that first little sliver of a red day that we've seen in what, 4 days or so. So things are looking very good right now for ADA. It's being resilient. Most other assets have bled off significantly worse than what ADA has been doing. Now, this is great. Now, I will say this, we are actually seeing something similar to what we saw during the FTX crash. Now, I'm not saying that we're crashing from here. I'm not saying we're going to get, hit in the way that we were during that time. But frankly, we saw big minor capitulation during that time. And this is actually from, I can't remember this, Crypto Quant. Yeah, Crypto Quant posted this and they said Bitcoin minor capitulation metrics are approaching the same level as the market bottom formed after FTX crash in late 2022. The hash rate has fallen 7.7% since the halving, and the hash price is near all-time lows. Miners are also experiencing a decline in daily revenue from 79 million on March 9th. The revenue dropped to 29 million today. This led to miners shutting down their equipment and corresponding drop in hash rate. Moreover, after Bitcoin's halving, old processors are no longer as profitable as new generation machines. This is likely causing some miners to disconnect their machines from the network. So this has been obviously a significant portion of what we've been experiencing in the market is just basically this unloading, right? Now, I will say today, the nice thing is that we shouldn't have any institutional money. Now, it's a good thing and a bad thing. No institutional buying, no institutional selling. It's kind of a day for just the market to set settle into and what maybe changing a new direction. I don't know. We have to wait and see how the market is responding when most of the US wakes up and sees the price for 57K in terms of BTC. And unfortunately kind of is what it is. But just know this, eventually the bleeding will stop. Eventually the market's going to get back on track. My long position for ADA still is open. Maybe I'm being crazy, but I think that this will subside at some point here. I don't think that these government entities want to just crater the charts or just continue dumping, right? We've seen them go through these things before, not the German government, but we've seen governments go through this before, dumping BTC, and they tend to kind of pump the brakes at some point. So we just got to be patient, just kind of let this all play out and know that eventually we'll be through these brutal months and be on to much better times. So appreciate you guys as always. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Let me know your thoughts below. Have a great day. Catch you guys in the next one. Take care.